Did you know that you can claim GST incurred before GST registration or incorporation? Hi, we are JetTax Consulting and we specialize in GST. Welcome to our Did You Know series where our GST expert, Eddie, will be discussing common questions regarding GST.
For instance, let's take Company A, which is in the property leasing business. They bought a commercial property and renovated it to lease as office space. They can claim the GST on these renovation expenses, even if they were incurred before registration, as long as the expenses were incurred within 6 months before their GST registration date, and the property is not leased out more than 6 months before the GST registration date. Keep in mind, the rules for claiming pre-registration GST can be quite complex and vary depending on the situation. If your pre-registration GST is substantial and you wish to learn more, reach out to us.
Leave a comment if you have any questions and Eddie will be here to answer them. Follow us for the latest GST tips and advice, and don't forget that our GST expert is here to support you with any inquiries you might have.